Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how to make money with Euro 2020. So this is very easy. This is very newbie friendly, so stick around if you want to discover how to make money with Euro 2020, right? So first off, you need to go to YouTube, and I just kind of like want to give you some idea. For example, if you type in like Ronaldo, okay, Ronaldo goals, say, so Ronaldo goals, you're going to come across a lot of video like this one over here and this one. For example, this video has 10 millions of views. Okay, so let's take a look at this video. For example, I just want to give you some rough idea how you'll be able to make money, right? So I'm going to stop. Okay, so as you can see, this is an ad, right? So means that this type of channel, this type of videos can be monetized. So what you can do is, now your task is you need to find a high demand videos like Ronaldo goals, Euro 2020 goals, or Copa America also is currently happening right now. And then you're going to re-upload it back and then get thousands of views. So that is the idea, all right? So as you can see here, this video has 10 millions of views, and what this channel literally did is it just compile all of Ronaldo goals and then make it a video like 10 minutes long, and then they re-upload it back and make money. So as you can see here, the estimated revenue for this channel is $32,000 per month, guys. That is insane amount of money, considering you just need to compile the video back. You don't even need to record the video on your own, but instead just compile it back and re-upload it back on YouTube. All right, so how are we going to make money with Euro 2020? It is actually a similar things. For example, like I'm going to type in like the recent game just happening yesterday is Hungary versus Portugal. If I click on Hungary versus Portugal, you're going to be able to see bunch of videos related to that games. All right, so take a look at this one. 312,000 views. This one 24,000 views. This one 800. This one is relatively new. Okay, so this one is 228. Right, so I want to draw your attention to this particular channel over here. 238,000 views, and it only uploaded 6 hours ago. If we take a look at this channel is very powerful, guys. Okay, you take a look at this subscribers. Like couple of hours ago, I saw the subscribers is only 11,000, and it increased about 5,000, 4 to 5,000 subscribers within couple of hours only, right? So I'm going to take a look at this channel. You're going to blow your mind away, literally. So I'm going to click on this channel here. As you can see here, this guy literally named his channel in conjunction of the game, which is Hungary versus Portugal. Okay, so take a look at the channel, go to videos, and this channel is actually not a football channel either. All right, so as you can see here, their first 5 videos is actually like normal random videos. Okay, is not even related to football, but today's he just uploaded Portugal versus Hungary videos, and then this channel exploded like 367 views for only a couple of hours, right? This one is 129 views, k views for the exact same period of time, and this one I think is going to explode very soon, right? So he's uploaded 3 similar videos, and then approximately he got like half of a million views already, guys. And if you take a look at the social blade, I'm going to go to the social blade, and maybe I'm going to copy this one. I want to show you how powerful this channel is by utilizing this method, right? So go to social blade. Social blade can analyze the channel. Okay, I'm going to click search, and then you can see here the current subscriber is still 1091. Means that this even social blade is not yet update with the current subscribers. Okay, as you can see here, there's no record here. The video views is still 600 something. It means that this channel is really new, and this video just uploaded like 6 hours ago, and it is really exploding right now. Okay, so that is the idea how to get thousands of views with Euro 2020. And as you can tell, this type of videos can be monetized, as you can see here. So this is monetized video, this is monetized channel, right? So you can get like 32,000 or maybe at least $10,000 per month by only re-uploading this type of channel. Okay, so what you can do if you want to do this method, simply go ahead to type in any current games. For example, like France versus Germany. So this is also the new one, the latest one. Take a look at this guy over here, just uploaded 3 hours ago, and this one like 6 hours ago. Only 30,000 subscribers, and this video has been generating almost 100,000 100,000 views already. All right, so what you can do instead is go to filter, and then you need to sort it by Creative Commons, because you want to find a video with a Creative Commons license so that you won't get banned by YouTube. All right, so just take a look at all this video. This is all the video that within Creative Commons license. Right, so what you need to do next is simply download all this video and then re-upload it back in your channel, and then you'll be able to generate the same amount of views or even more views like what this channel did. All right, so and the idea is you might want to name your channel with the current game as well. All right, it is completely okay because you can literally rename it back after that, right? But the idea is you want to get the attention as fast as possible. Okay, so you might want to see what is the upcoming games, and then you might want to get your channel ready with that games, and then just rename your channel in conjunction of that game. Okay, and then you can rename it back. This is just for the sake of getting attention, right? So at the time of filming this video, this channel has 16,000 subscribers, and I'm pretty sure once you watch this video and try to go back to this channel, and I'm pretty sure this channel going to be like maybe 2,000 and maybe 20,000 or 35,000 subscribers already. Okay, so this is the powerful method on how to make money with Euro 2020. Okay, so guys, if you are excited, comment down below and smash the like button. And if you want me to do the full tutorial how to actually do all these things from scratch, from 0 to Z, until you're able to have your own channel and get the video uploaded in your channel, comment down below full tutorial. All right, so comment down below full tutorial. I'm going to be doing another videos which is the full tutorial how to actually make these things happen. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. I hope you're excited. Don't forget to smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because in this channel I talk a lot about how to make money online, how to make money with YouTube, affiliate marketing, and etc. Okay, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.